Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to install additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install additional watch faces on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the app. Once you open the application, tap on the devices icon. And here on the devices page, you should see your HUAWEI Watch 5 if the watch is paired with your phone. If you see it, tap on it. And here you should see the device page for your HUAWEI Watch 5. And under the watch, you should see this category called watch faces. It's possible you're missing this option, and if you are, one fix I could recommend trying. I don't guarantee it's going to work, but you could try to reinstall the HUAWEI Health application and select a different service region than you selected before. I selected United Kingdom and it's working for me, but I believe if you selected, for example, United States, you might be missing this option right here, the watch faces option, because it might not be supported by the United States region. So select something else. Like I said before, United Kingdom is working fine. You can maybe select something different and hopefully it will work for you. And once you have the watch faces option, you can tap on more. It will open the watch face store. And here you can scroll through different categories, look for something you like. I'm gonna select free category. And I'm gonna browse through the watch faces to look for something interesting. So once you find the watch face you like, you can tap on it and then you can tap on install. It will start downloading and installing, and after it's done, it should be applied on your watch. And here we have it. And you can install multiple watch faces. Let's install this one, for example, too. Okay. And if you want to see the list of watch faces you installed on your watch, you need to go back to the main page of the App Store. Tap on Mine, then tap on My Faces, and here you will see the list of watch faces you have installed on your watch, and you can switch between them by tapping on one and tapping on Set as Default. You can also remove the watch faces. So oh, it left the whole store for some reason. Come on, My Faces. You can remove the watch faces. So let's say I want to remove the orange sunset. You tap on the watch face, tap on the main icon, tap on OK, and the watch face will be removed from your watch. Of course, once you're done, you can close the application, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.